Okay, hello everyone. Today we are going to make a pizza. For that, I'll teach you how to make it. First, we need one pita bread. And then we also need pizza sauce. Put it on the pizza. Now you have to put chicken pepperoni on the pizza. Look, it's a flower. So now we have to put cheese on the pizza. Okay, now we are going to put oregano over the cheese. We have to make the pizza in the fry pan. Ask an adult to make it for you. Now the pizza is ready. It looks so yummy. And don't forget to like and subscribe this video. Share it as well. Bye.